Do you want to build games like Pokemon Go, or Angry Birds, or Legend of Zelda, but worried about your programming skills? Here's one of the biggest game development programs that will walk you through the entire game development process from scratch. Hello, I'm Sam Newton and I represent Eduonix. We curate online learning materials that are sold to over 2 million students from almost all of the inhabitable continents across the world. Now, after so many brainstorming sessions, we are here with one of the biggest game development programs for everyone and anyone. This one-of-a-kind game development program includes 500 plus hours of content, 150 plus game clones and projects, and 100 plus technologies and tools. Yes, you heard it right. Now anyone can build popular and the latest 2D and 3D games like Pokemon Go, Zelda, Portal, Breakout, and so much more. That too without any prior coding knowledge. Upon completing this program, you can become a complete game developer and earn up to $100,000 a year. This unique program includes 6 exclusive tiers, 500 plus hours of content, 100 plus projects, 50 plus game clones, and 50 plus techs and tools. The first tier will be a non-programmer kit that will teach you game development from scratch. It doesn't require any previous programming knowledge. You will learn game programming and selection-based tools like Construct, Godot, and SpriteKit. Tier 1 will be the core game development kit that will teach you advanced game development and game designing. You will build game clones like Pokemon Go, Angry Birds, Portal, Zelda, and so on. Tier 2 will be a foundational programming kit that will cover all the important programming languages behind games like C++, C#, Java, JavaScript, Swift, and Windows programming. Tier 3 is entirely dedicated to game designing. It will cover Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe XD, Blender, and Maya. All these 2D and 3D tools will help you to build game animations, realistic characters, and game environments. Tier 4 will be on the mathematics behind games. It will be an advanced level, yet interesting for all the students. It covers foundational mathematics, game theory, and game mechanics. The last tier will be a master kit of this game development program. It will prepare you to have a full-fledged career. You will get advanced training for Unity and Unreal Engine to build game clones like Castlevania, Baseball, Soccer, and Hill Climb. Overall, you will get 500 plus hours of learning, 100 plus latest techs and tools, and 150 plus projects and game clones like Flappy Bird, Pokemon Go, Zelda, Angry Birds, Treasure Hunt, Portal, Car Racing, Castlevania, and so much more. This program will not just help anyone to build games or create a portfolio, but will also provide sufficient experience required for a full-fledged career. So, if you want to become a complete game developer and want to create popular games, then this game development program can be your one-stop solution. You can pledge now to claim various early bird benefits, and if you know someone who wants to be a complete game developer, then help them by sharing this campaign. Support this campaign and help us make this game development program a reality.